Welcome to MMD Kids channel.
Hi kids, today we are going to learn about the playground.
Seesaw, up and down we go with glee. The seesaw's made for you and me. Slide, zooming down without a care. The slide's a ride through the air. Swing, back and forth. I soar so high, like a bird up in the sky. Rainbow bar, climb and hang. Reach for the star, rainbow bars take you far. Merry-go-round, round and round, we laugh and spin. The merry-go-round's a dizzy win. Sandbox, dig and build, create with glee. Sandy worlds for you and me. Ball pit, jump right in, it's a colorful sea. The ball pit's bursting with joy and glee. Tire dome, climb up high, explore and roam. Adventure lives on the tire dome. Spring horse, giddy up giggles, bounce with force. Ride away on the springy horse. Dome climber, climb the dome, reach the top. Never want the fun to stop.
From swings to slides, the fun won't end. The playground's magic is every kid's best friend. Thanks for playing with us today. If you had fun, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more exciting and playful videos every week. See you next time.